Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a very exciting topic, how to read your newborn like a pro. Understanding your baby's body language is crucial for those first few months. It is like having a secret code where you can figure out what your baby needs even before they let out a sound. And yes, before they can talk, they communicate through their moves, facial expressions, and even the way they cry. So if you want to be in tune with your baby, respond before the waterworks start, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for, what each move means, and how to soothe your baby like a pro. And if you love this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You're here because you want to understand your baby better, right? Well, newborns aren't mind readers, but they do drop some serious hints about what they need. We're talking subtle signs like hands in front of their face. That's rooting for food. Or hands by their cheek, that's a sign of discomfort or fussiness. They might also bring their knees up or curl their toes. That could mean they're feeling the need to go number 2. As you watch this video, you'll learn how to spot these signs early so you can respond before the crying starts. That's right. We're all about preventing meltdowns and building happy moments. Now let's dive into our first category, rooting, hands, and hunger. When your little one is hungry, they'll often turn their head towards your chest. This is called rooting. They'll also open their mouth or make sucking sounds. And if you notice them sucking on their fingers or fists, it's a clear sign they're ready for some milk or formula. So how do you handle this? The earlier you catch the signs, the smoother the feeding will go. Here's a pro tip. Crying is a late hunger cue. So feed your baby when you see those early signs like turning their head, opening their mouth, or sucking on their fingers or fists. Don't wait for the tears to start. Next, let's talk about stiff legs, squirming, and gas discomfort. Babies can get pretty uncomfortable, especially when it comes to gas and indigestion. So what should you look out for? If your baby is squirming, grunting, or pulling their legs up, they might need some relief. Look for tight fists, an arched back, or straining and going red in the face. These are signs of gas pain or discomfort. Here are some tips to help your baby feel better. Do bicycle kicks, tummy massage in a circular motion, burping after feeds. Remember, gas is normal, but spotting it early can make a huge difference in soothing your baby. Moving on to sleepy signs, catch the window. Knowing when your baby is getting tired is a game changer. Overtired babies are harder to settle, so it's important to catch those sleepy cues early. What should you watch out for? Slowing movements, glazed or unfocused eyes, yawning, rubbing eyes, turning head away. These are all signs that your baby needs some rest. Once you spot these signs, it's time to start your nap or bedtime routine. Here's a pro tip. Once babies get overtired, they may cry more, flail their arms, or resist sleep. So use these cues to start your routine before they reach meltdown mode. Next, let's discuss overstimulation. Baby needs a break. Babies are like little sponges. They soak up everything around them, but too much of a good thing can be overwhelming. Watch out for sudden crying after lots of eye contact or activity, turning head away or stiffening body, clenched fists, or frantic movements. These are signs your baby needs a break from the stimulation. Here's what you can do to help. Dim the lights, reduce noise, skin to skin, or swaddle in a quiet room. Sometimes less input is what your baby needs, not more entertainment. Now let's chat about the baby body language timeline, from calm to cry. Knowing the typical progression of your baby's fussiness can help you predict what's coming next. Start with the calm timeline, which looks like this. Subtle cues like hand sucking, head turn, leg movement. Then mild fussing like squirming, short cries. Next is distress, which includes loud crying, arching, flailing. So what does this tell us? If your baby is showing early signs of fussiness, you have time to soothe them before they escalate. It's like having a roadmap for your baby's emotions. Now, here's the fun part, putting it all together, reading your baby. By now, you've learned a ton of baby cues, but remember, every child is unique. Take what you've learned and apply it to your baby's individual cues. Keep watching and learning from your baby. For example, observe how your baby reacts after feeding, napping, overstimulation. Journaling your findings can be helpful. With time, you'll learn to read your baby like a book, even before they let out a peep. You're doing great. Don't worry if you miss something or make a wrong guess. The more time you spend with your baby, the better you'll become at understanding their unique cues. Plus, every correct guess gets you closer to becoming a certified newborn whisperer. And if you're wondering why your baby is crying, we've got you covered. Check out our video, Why is My Baby Crying?, where we dive into all the reasons behind those tiny tears. Now let's keep learning. Finally, here's a bonus tip to help you on your newborn reading journey. Download our free newborn care checklist. It's packed with essential tips for those first few weeks, like a handy guide to have by your side. Head over to our website to grab your checklist. It's a great resource to have as you navigate those early days with your baby. Don't forget, you're awesome and you've got this. Being a new parent is a wild ride, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Trust your instincts, learn as you go, and celebrate every milestone, big or small. So what are your thoughts? What other tips would you share with new parents? Leave a comment below. We can't wait to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy parenting and best of luck with your newborn reading adventures.